Okay, so first page. Got a little wet, but this is about the consultation. So it goes through the consultation, examination, x-rays, report of findings, adjustment and treatment, payment scheduling, and the appendix to find whatever you need. If you're doing patient care, you need to reference this book. You know what I'm saying? All right. So, consultation. Yes. Sí. No. No. Head. Cabeza. Shoulders. Hombros. Low back. Zona lumbar. Mid back. Parte media de la espalda. Let's go back through. Head, cabeza, shoulders, hombros, low back, zona lumbar, mid back, parte media de la espalda. Oh, I got that one. Okay. Neck is cuello, hip, caderas, cuello, caderas, cuello, caderas. All right, that's it for today. My head already hurts. See y'all tomorrow.